Documentary filmmaking is a long storied art form, a genre that is open and freeing and continues to evolve. So when my group and I joined the In Transition documentary, we are excited to add to the evolving conversation of documentary filmmaking. The first thing we learned might seem obvious. Documentary filmmaking is hard. So, for our topic, we decided to do french fries. Who doesn't like french fries? The crunchy, salty side that is first mentioned in a Parisian cookbook in 1775 is such a common part of our diet that making a doc on them seemed it would be a breeze. First, the taste test. We purchased french fries from McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, and Ice House right from here in Red Hook. The point of this doc was to originally show the differences and the different quality of french fries that you get from a local and chain restaurant. Action. What do you look for when you're eating french fries?
When I'm eating french fries, I'm looking for like a crisp, crunchy texture, and for it not to be too soggy, but also not too like burnt. And like also a good amount of seasoning, like not too salty, or like also like not like unseasoned.
The crispiness, the tastefulness, and the crunchiness.
When I'm eating a french fry, I look for probably how crisp it is, how it crunches in your mouth, and how salty it is, I guess.
Sweet still, no salt.
I'm tasting really dry, really flavorless. No seasoning. I don't taste like any salt.
I don't like it. Yeah, I would agree. This tastes so weird. There's no salt. It tastes kind of bland. After the taste test of the fries, it was disappointing, to say the least. Not only were our french fries soggy and stale, but our wanted outcome for best french fries happened to be KFC. We wanted our documentary to fit a certain mold, and our mold couldn't be that KFC fries were the best fries out of all the fries we tasted. So the next natural step to recover and try and get our story back was to interview the chef or the owner of Ice House. Easy enough. But no one told us that at the bar, maybe it's not the best place to get an interview. No one here wants to be interviewed.
What do you mean?
There's no one here who wants to be. Wait, why isn't this camera working?
Because there's no SD card.
What?
Yeah, there's no battery either.
Alright, this is great. Great. After that fiasco and the fact that no one really wanted to be on camera to be interviewed, we had to scramble for something new. The footage we got could hardly constitute a documentary, and you're back to square one. However, we didn't stay there for too long. On our way back from Ice House, we passed another local spot, the record shop. The environment seemed calm, the employees and patrons were open, so we went.
I'm Hideki. I'm working in the record shop, Von Braun Street, 360 Record Shop.
Okay. And when did you start working here?
I think around 2017.
2007.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
We're here for like a while now.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So what's your favorite things about music and records, like all that?
I'm a DJ, so
you're a
the
DJ.
records is my,
Like your work?
mandate, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Say it again, what's...
Why do you think it's important to keep records around today?
Well, I think the lot of the modern artists, young artists, still releasing the vinyl. So that's the key. Like the artists should release the music on vinyl. That's the key, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. People keep pressing. I think people keep pressing the vinyl than before, like indie band to the hip hop artists, or to the house truck maker. Everybody keep pressing vinyl, cause it sounds different.
Yeah.
I'm a DJ, so
At first, it was about french fries. Then, it was about records. Maybe it's not about the importance of small local businesses. You can decide that, but if you ask us, it's about the trials and tribulations of making a documentary. Okay, we've done a lot of research on documentaries and feel the need to pause here and say yes, that is our teacher buying records. In no way did he purchase records in exchange for an interview for our documentary. That's purely coincidental. Hope you enjoy.